So we are back in the junkyard. I feel like it's been a bit since I've been here. I don't know. I guess I kind of got used to coming so regularly, and so it feels like a long time. Anyway, gonna be a short trip today. Only a few things to look for. A former coworker reached out, a good buddy of mine, Coach Patton. He needs a latch for his Nissan Frontier. I'm gonna check out a few other things here. There's a Toyota Matrix here and Suzuki Sidekick, 1998 Suzuki Sidekick, which I'm interested in looking at for some parts. But right now we are getting to the Frontier, and we'll see if it has a tailgate latch. It may not. I hope it does for him. But yeah. Also, I have a new tool that I want to check out, test out, and I'll show you guys that in a few. But let's get rid of this car. All right, so I found the Frontier. You can tell at the bottom here, it is the Frontier. The issue, the tailgate's already off the car, the truck, and instantly I saw someone that's already taken this latch out. So sorry, Dano. I cannot help you today. So that's a bummer. I love helping people out when I can. If I can help them get a part of the junkyard and save some money on something they need, I love doing that. And I hate that I couldn't do that today. So we will head on over to the little Sidekick. Somebody pulled an engine, put the back of the CRV. It probably came out of CRV. I guess it's a B20. No, it didn't. That's why I got its engine. Someone pulled a Honda engine and put the back of that CRV. All right, let's head over to the little Suzuki Sidekick and see what it's like and if there's anything valuable on it. So here we are at the Sidekick. It's not terrible. I mean, it's got some damage here at the back, but this fender's okay. I'm not opposed to maybe taking it. The grill is something I'm definitely interested in. I was looking online last night and saw that a lot of the Suzuki grills go for about $120, $130. I think these usually cost about $30 or so here at the junkyard. I need to double check. But if I can pick up for $30 or $40 and sell it for $100, $60 isn't bad. It is missing the badge here on the front, which is unfortunate, but I'm hopeful though that maybe it's still usable. I don't know, it's got some blue stuff on it. That's coming off. So we have that. I am interested in these little side markers. Again, I check eBay. I recommend you guys get the eBay app and check eBay and see not just what people are selling things for, but, well, excuse me, not what they're listing it for, but where they're actually selling it for. That's the key thing. Like, I can list something for $1,000. I can list this steering wheel for $1,000. Doesn't mean I'm going to sell it for $1,000. That's important to find out. And I will say that the grills were selling for over $100. Those side markers sell for like $40 a piece. The instrument clusters were like $200 or something, or $150, I forget. I don't know if I want to mess with it today, honestly, because instrument clusters, sometimes they're a pain to get out, but that's a possibility. I'm just kind of looking around to see what's good in here. Got some more corner lights. I'd be interested in that. Those are easy to get off typically, and easy to get off. They're cheap. Speaking of easy to get off, tail light might be a good one to do. They're not cracked, so I might grab the tail lights. The grill is definitely something I'm interested in, possibly that fender, and we'll see. Anyway, I'm gonna go do some wrenching. I'll use the new tool that I got. I'll show you guys that in a second in this video, and we'll go from there. Okay, I removed the four bolts on the top. They're 10mm bolts. Then you have to get these little bezels off. Someone just threw some sheet metal screws in there. I used an 8mm, got those out. Got both those out. pulled this ring off to access the other bolt, and I noticed something in there. Well, something flew out when I was messing with it, and you maybe can't see that. Yeah, maybe you can, I don't know. It's hard to see, but there's a bit of a nest in there. So you know what, brother? You can have that grill. I was wanting it, but nah, it ain't worth getting stung over. So I got a couple, I got the side marker off the back. That's about it right now. To pull these side markers off, you do have to access the inside. There's a light inside of these. And you have to be very careful to not break the clips, because you know it's an older car. So I'm gonna move on. There's a matrix I want to check out. There's a Celica to check out, and yeah, and I'll continue to use my new little tool that I got. See how it works, and maybe I'll come back later and get that grill whenever I don't see anything flying around. All right, let's keep on walking. So heading to that matrix. I always forget about this. I always forget part of the junkyard where they put all the old stuff, like old stuff. Is that a Triumph, Midget? I don't really know. British, little British Roadster. Got a Corvette there. El Camino or a Ranchero or something. I don't know. I love these things. I think the car truck mashup is freaking awesome. But yeah, I mean, this stuff is cool. I always forget about this part of the junkyard, and I know you guys have seen this part in a video before of mine, if you've seen a video of mine before, but I always forget about it. And it's just so cool to come over and check this stuff out. Old Mercedes. Oh, this van is cool. I can't tell what it says, but that's awesome. Oh, wood paneling on the inside. Shag carpet. Oh Lord, this is awesome. I feel like somebody has died in here and also been conceived in here. Not the same person, maybe, but still pretty awesome. Close that up. Yeah. Curious, like, do you guys have junkyards like that? You know, junkyards that have some old stuff in it also, like the rare stuff. So we're in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and oh, Dr. Pepper, little Budweiser bottle. I don't drink, so I'm assuming it's old by the look of it, but I don't know. It's very cool. I see a Jeep over there. Got the little Roadster. Indeed, it is a classic. Yeah, I always forget about this, and it's so cool. So yeah, old Mustang. Freaking wonderful. All right, let's go check out something not so old and not quite as cool. A Toyota Matrix. You ain't the only one, man. Not the only one. This is a mid-90s Lexus. Pimping ain't easy. Okay. Oh, Lord. Oh, gosh. Let me back out. The entire headliner is this fur? Oh, you know what? He may be telling the truth. Maybe pimping is not easy. Maybe he would know. I don't. That. Whoo! Guys, the things you found in the junkyard. I flipping love this. Oh, I gotta pop off and see a Celica right quick on this aisle, And one more car, then we're getting the hell out of here. Oh, Lord. All right. I've had enough fun for the day, I guess, out here. It's time to go home. Hang out, man. I got a wedding to go to. Thanks for joining in with me today. Oh, wait, what is that? It's probably just a Ranger. Yeah, it is. All right, anyway, thanks for joining me today. Again, I don't know why you guys do it, but I always think every view I'm very grateful for. And I'm almost to 500 people following me, which is insane. So again, thank you. Have an awesome day. Go enjoy the junkyard.